Looking at this, oh my god, I don't know if I'm going to take this. Oh, god. Um, Hello, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. I am so happy to have you watch this video. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, this is Jessica, and every other person that is a returnee that I refer as family member, you know you are the best. You guys are the VIPs. Without you, I will not be here. And I am so excited to welcome every one of you. This is your baby girl, Jessica, your favorite girl, your favorite YouTuber, all the way in Imo State, Republic of Africa. So today I'm going to be doing one or two about feminine hygiene, about feminine tips, things that are going to make you look beautiful down there. If you get what I mean, like down there. If you are dry and you are not juicy at all, then you must watch this video. If you are a man and you have a girl and she is dry and she's not juicy, you need to watch this video. You need to share this video to her and she needs to watch this video. So if it sounds like what may interest you, please keep on watching. Keep on watching. Okay, so you're welcome back. I'm going to be using what we call okra today, and every one of you actually know what is okra already. And as you can see on your screen right now, I had to go pick up some okra that I have. I washed it and make sure the okra is clean and very neat. And the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to chop off the head and the tail, and then after that you chop this okra into pieces and then put it in a glass cup. I actually had to use glass cup just because I wanted every one of you to see. I wanted every one of you to see clearly what I was doing and how it looks like. So this is actually how this okra looks like, okay, after chopping it. Instead of putting ordinary water, which every other person does, is a regular thing that people do, but I decided to put warm water into this okra. Let it not be too hot so that it doesn't kill the okra. It's supposed to be warm water. You pour this regular normal warm water into the okra and then you leave it overnight. I'm going to be leaving this overnight. We're going to see how it's going to look like the following day, okay? So here are some benefits of okra, especially for those ladies that have dry skin down there, you know. So somebody like me, I am dry. I don't know why. I really don't know why, but most women experience this, and they are so shy to talk about, you know, their VJ being dry. They are so shy. They don't know what to do and how to go about it. And because I have experienced this, I had to go researching for this. And you know, I cannot give you something that is not true. This works 100%. My friend tried it and she recommended, and it's been like a viral video on YouTube, and I decided to try it as well. So, and I just hope I'm not going to be too juicy this time around. I just hope I'm not going to be too juicy this time around, because I am juicy, you know. Anyways, I was dry, but I've tried not really that I tried a lot of things. I made a lot of researches, and I noticed that the only thing that was going to help me right now, I've heard a lot of things that was going to help me. Forgotten the name of that fruit that is actually slimy as well. Just because I have 4 kids and I don't want to have any other baby, and I said no, I can't go for this, because I don't want anything that's going to make me like too fertile, like too ready to have another child, because I'm not even ready to have another child. So I'm actually doing this for you guys. This is how the okra looks the following day. Ooh. So that's how the okra looks like the following day. You can see this. Ooh. It smells natural, just like a normal regular okra, okay? So, but looking at this, oh my God, I don't know if I'm going to take this. Oh God. I don't know if I will be able to do this, but I'm just doing this for you guys. God. I'm going to sieve this out. Let me pour it out into another cup so that I can see if I can drink this. Oh my God. So for those of you that want to stay juicy, this is the magic. This water down there will make you juicy. Not just juicy, you're going to be sweetie juicy. You understand what I'm saying? This is another cup. I will just have to woo! Jeez, God. Shit. God. Oh my God. You see the way it's a bit slimy? That's... I don't know if this is going to pass through my throat. Oh my God. But let me go do that and I'll be right back, please. Okay, so that's the water, and that's the okra here. So I don't need this, and this is what we need. Now the problem is how to take this. Jeez, just the way this thing is so slimy is just scaring me. It's just scaring me. I'm just doing this for you guys. Oh God, I'm just gonna... Jeez. Ooh. I will not lie to you, but it's somehow, God. Jeez. I'm actually sweating. Oh my God. Goose pimples plus sweat. Have you ever seen that before? I'm just determined to do this for you guys. God, I'm just feeling somehow. Okay, so this is actually how it looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, go try this out as well, and come back to this channel and drop your comments about your own experience, and then how much this worked. Just you need to try this for like 3 times a week, and then that will give you faster result. But I'm going to definitely try this again, but I'm going to be doing only twice a week because I really don't want to be so wet and juicy. But this will make sure your husband does not look outside. Like, your husband will literally stick to you. Your man will literally stick to you and will never look elsewhere. So if you enjoyed this content, please give it loads of thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Just click on the button right down there, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the very first to get to know each time I upload a new video. So also check my description box and you will find other videos that you have not watched that are very educative as well. I have loads of DIYs on my channel. My IG is there as well, and I've also put it up here. Please, if you haven't followed me, go follow me on IG. That's my Instagram, so that we can be friends, and then we can chat one-on-one. And then if you have any questions, any suggestions, any advice, critiques, we can actually interact there. So I have to end this video here, and then help me share this video for those of our females that are very dry, that needs help. This will definitely help them and help their man to stick to them. So it was so nice speaking to you guys and dropping these beautiful tips to you. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.